Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back with another video today. So today's actually gonna be another install vid for Tim. As y'all can see by the lighting setup, we're actually gonna install a new intake for him. What intake is it?
PRL Cobra intake.
PRL Cobra. He got this off a friend of his. Still mint condition. It's a street one, so you don't need a tune.
No tune.
And I think he got it for like what, like 100, right? And it only had like what, 500 miles on it?
Something like that.
Something like that. It is mint, bro. Mint ice cream, I swear. See, I'll be honest, I'm kind of out my element. I'm more of a Subaru guy, but he said he knows what to do, so he'll probably kind of lead me through all this. But he wanted me to film a video for y'all, because like I said, last video, we posted his car off of the channel, so we get started with the install. All right, so we're just gonna move the flathead, the Phillips screws, a couple 10 mils, I think, and maybe a little smaller. So yeah, we're gonna start on that, so it's time to start now. All right, update. We got this all the way down to there off. I think Tim's getting under to get down to remove that tray down there so we can actually unscrew this portion of the intake so we can actually fit everything down. So we'll get back to y'all when we get that off. All right, so we got the box out. It was a bolt right here and right there. They're upside down. So I don't know, she took the bottom of the tray out. So I think now we can actually install the intake down. All right, let's see how dirty this man's filter was. Man, buddy, it's taking so long.
It's not going out, bro.
I think you can just lift it up. That's not bad. All right, so where does this go?
All right, the filter's gonna go right here.
All right.
Now you're gonna put it down, start from the bottom.
Okay.
And then the bracket will screw into the side of the car right here.
Which, is it right, that little black bracket right there?
Yeah, it should be under here.
Okay. And then where does this come from? This connects to that big hose?
This is gonna be like this. And then this goes up and then feeds into here. So it'd be like this. Put that in here.
Okay. And then that big end connects to this big hose. And then this one connects to right here.
Yeah.
So
it'll look like this basically. This goes like this. Some shit. Yeah. Type shit.
what the hell?
But yeah.
We'll figure it out. All right, so far we got the filter and it's going through the frame. So now we just gotta attach this to this, that end to this end, and we're Gucci. So let's go ahead and do that and I'll get back to y'all. All right, intake's fully on, and now we gotta do the sensor, and it's just cleanup work after that. All right, it's gonna be the first startup. first drive with the new intake and everything. They're little codes, but I think it should end off whenever we're done. But we just take it easy right now before we push it. All right, so we're just gonna drive and everything. Hopefully, we weren't thinking that after the drive it would clear the codes, but codes are still there. So I'll have to get back to y'all on this. It's the same video. I'll just get back to y'all whenever we figure out the situation. But as of right now, it's be a wrap for today. So we'll get back to y'all whenever we figure it out. All right, so it's the same day. We're in the car right now, but we disconnected the battery whenever I last ended off on y'all, and we actually just redisconnected it, and we were trying to see if we were to go on a drive again, if it would be better. We can use some more lighting right now. That's a little better. But we did that, and a couple more codes popped up for the battery light. But then after like a drive, like I'm not gonna even like cap, like a minute later, all codes cleared. So we're gonna go for like a little bit more, and if anything were to pop up again, then we'll have to probably go home and probably do the same thing again. If not, then we can probably take it for a little rip and let y'all know what it sounds like. So I'll get back to y'all. All right, so everything right now is chilling. So we're gonna do a quick little pull to see what it sounds like. So hopefully y'all can hear it and everything, but let me flip the camera and show y'all. Oh, that shit is loud. Damn. That shit is loud. That shit's like way louder than mine, I swear. It's probably because it doesn't have like, it's just pure cone after that, not like a block or nothing. That's loud. And the car is handling it pretty well, like nothing's happening, no codes. And then the car's not overheating or nothing, so that's pretty good. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this shit's good, this shit's loud. We haven't really full throttled it yet to see like horsepower gains, but we'll probably get back to that. So maybe like the next day. The next day we record, I'll get back to y'all with this right now. So I'm gonna jump to the next day. All right, so it's actually the next night, but he didn't tell me about this. But guess what actually came in the mail? So yeah, I'm about to cut the video off here and pretty much make the next video for that now. So y'all like the video, make sure you go down, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Y'all get posted whenever I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.